Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove ads from Android phone. So if you are tired of random ads suddenly popping up on your Android phone, so ads on your home screen or maybe lock screen or even when you open apps, here I'm going to show you the simple and also safe ways to remove the ads from your Android phone. So first, you can remove the Adware apps. This is the most important. This is the number one reason why ads appear on your Android phones. So you can just go to the settings and then open the apps or apps management. This one. And in here, you can sort apps by recently installed. You can click on all apps first. And in here, you can just look for any suspicious apps like maybe launchers, flashlight, cleaners, or wallpaper apps that you don't remember installing. And if you found one, you can just open it and then just uninstall it immediately. And the second method, you need to disable the appear on top permissions. So some apps show ads by using a special permission called appear on top. So again, you can just go to the settings and find the special app access and find the appear on top, or this one, display over other apps. And in here, you just need to disable this permission for any app that you don't trust. So for example, this one, and in here you need to just disable it. And the next method, you can turn off the personalized and system ads. So you can here open settings and then just search for ads. Let's see in here. There's no such option, but you can just if your phone has it, you can just turn on the deleting advertising ID or opt out of ads personalization. So this will won't remove all ads, but it will significantly reduce them. And next method, if you're getting ads in your notification bar, it's usually from your browser. So you can just here open your Chrome and go to the settings, hit on the three dots icon, settings, and find notifications options in here. And then you can just disable this one or remove any strange websites. You need to also go to the pop-ups and redirects options and make sure that it is turned off. And last method, you can also use built-in security or ad blocker. Some Android phones already have the built-in protection. You can just check your security app and enable the ad blocking or app scan. You can also use private DNS with an app blocking DNS to block the ad system-wide. And don't forget to always install apps from the Play Stores and avoid apps with low ratings or too many ads mentioned in the reviews. So that's it. Your Android phone should now be ad-free. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.